I'm headed to a close-to-the-loop riverfront location in the South Loop, a short walk from dining, nightlife, and college campuses, for a tour of one of the apartments at a new, pet-friendly, high-amenity tower, the Reed Southbank. I'm in apartment 908, a one-bedroom, looking out through a floor-to-ceiling window over the pool deck and the Riverwalk toward a spectacular view of the Loop skyline. Roller shades on the windows, turning into a spacious, open-plan living, dining, kitchen area. You have brushed concrete ceilings, blonde, wide plank flooring extending throughout the apartment, an efficient one-wall kitchen, two-tone cabinetry. There's a pantry cabinet, 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, and a Bosch dishwasher. French door refrigerator with an ice maker. You have under cabinet lighting, a brushed concrete backsplash, designer gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, quartz counter, there's an undermount sink. Cabinets are all soft close. Turning for a look at in-unit washer dryer, front loading, full size. Turning toward the entryway, it's a coat closet off to my right, a wide entry foyer, space for a hall console table, great walls to hang your art. And as you come in, you're looking toward that great view. Living area is wide, giving you flexibility in how you lay it out. Might want to take advantage of this nook for your home office desk. There's an Ecobee programmable thermostat. Entry system is keyless. Turning toward the bath, then you have that black designer hardware, a wide vanity with drawers for storage, Toto soft close toilet, and a sliding glass door on a wide shower. We get to the bedroom. Floor to ceiling windows again with roller shades. Space for your queen size bed, nightstands, additional furniture. And you have a walk-in closet with custom organizers. The Reed has a very attractive location, wide variety of apartments, all new, all with upscale finishes, extensive amenities. You definitely want the Reed at the top of your must-see list. Head to the Reed's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.